Looking for faucet repair, service and maintenance in Strathcona County? A leaking or malfunctioning faucet can lead to wasted water and costly repairs. At Kingstree Plumbing, we provide fast, professional and affordable solutions to keep your plumbing in top shape. From leaky faucets to water pressure issues and fixture replacements, our licensed plumbers offer same-day service to get your faucets working properly. Whether it's a kitchen sink, bathroom fixture or commercial tap, we ensure long-lasting results with expert repairs and maintenance. In Strathcona County, plumbing systems can be affected by hard water buildup and aging pipes. Our team specialises in diagnosing and fixing common faucet issues, helping you avoid expensive water damage and unnecessary replacements. With trusted expertise and competitive pricing, Kingstree Plumbing is the go-to choice for faucet repair, service and maintenance in Strathcona County. Need expert service? Call us now or click book online to schedule your faucet repair today.